Marking a microwave for ease of use.
The simplest way to mark someone's microwave is to simply ask them which buttons they use the most and mark those accordingly. For most people, if you mark the 5, they can easily then fan out and find the other keys that they require. The other 2 most important buttons are the stop, start, and clear, so that they're able to correct a mistake if they've added too much time or not enough time. And then for people who are low vision, I've added a high contrast button to one of the smaller buttons such as popcorn, pizza, and in this case the dinner plate button, so it's quick to locate. And then all they have to do is press dinner plate, start, and let it go. For people who have diabetic neuropathy in their fingers, I often will put a scratchy Velcro circle instead, so they're much more easily able to locate the tactile marker. And that is essentially marking a microwave.
You can purchase various items for marking your microwave at Shop CNIB at www.cnib.ca/shop or by sending an email to store@cnib.ca or by calling 1-800-563-2642. For more helpful tips about living with vision loss, please visit www.cnib.ca or contact CNIB at 1-800-563-2642. CNIB, Seeing Beyond Vision Loss. This video has been made possible thanks to an educational grant from Novartis Pharmaceuticals Canada Incorporated.